In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Zapier, whether you're looking to automate your workflows, streamline your online business processes, or simply make your payment solutions more efficient. Integrating Stripe with Zapier can be a game changer. This guide will walk you through the steps to ensure a seamless connection between these two powerful platforms. To get started, let's navigate to your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, take a look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a tab labeled App Connections. This is where we'll begin to integrate Stripe into your Zapier account. Go ahead and click on this tab. Now that you're in the App Connections section, you should see an overview of your current app connections if you have any. To add a new one, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Add Connection. Clicking this will open a new interface where you can search for the app you wish to integrate. In the search bar that appears, type in Stripe. Zapier's search capabilities will begin listing matching results as you type. Once you see Stripe listed in the options below the search bar, simply click on it to proceed. This is an important step as connecting the correct application is crucial for a successful integration. Now, you'll encounter a prompt to log in to your Stripe account. This step ensures that Zapier has the necessary permissions to connect and interact with your Stripe transactions and data. If you're already logged into Stripe in your browser, this might happen automatically. If not, enter your Stripe login details. Providing your credentials here is secure because Zapier employs encryption to protect your data. Once logged in, Zapier will establish a link between the two platforms. You will be asked to confirm certain permissions to allow Zapier to access Stripe's data and perform actions on your behalf as defined in your automated workflows. Review these permissions to ensure they meet your requirements for security and functionality. Usually, these permissions include access to your account details and transaction data, which is vital for the tasks Zapier will perform. With these steps completed, Stripe should now be listed among your connected apps in Zapier. This seamless integration will allow you to create Zaps, or automated workflows that can simplify and enhance your operations. You can now connect Stripe to other applications Zapier supports, delivering a more integrated and efficient work environment. That wraps up our guide on connecting Stripe to Zapier. Once connected, you'll open up a new world of possibilities to automate your business processes and save valuable time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore the myriad of potential integrations that Zapier offers to boost your productivity. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.